Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 7th. I'm James Spann. Brighter and warmer weather in the days ahead. We'll probably see 80s in here on Thursday. That'll feel pretty good. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. We'll start with the Skycam view coming from Inverness in Shelby County. Got a partly sunny sky there. Temperatures are approaching 70. Still pretty cool for May today. There's the Cheehaw Skycam on the eastern side of the state. Always a good place to be, and here's a good place to be. How about a sunny May day on the Alabama Gulf Coast? That's our Gulf Shore Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. Looks gorgeous down there. Still got the block pattern over the nation. Two big upper lows, one just east of here, one over around Las Vegas in the western U.S., and we're still pretty cool as that eastern upper low has a grasp on the state. Look at Anniston. They've only got 62. These are at 2 o'clock. Keep in mind we ought to be at 79 this time of the year. Birmingham at 66. The warm spot, Montgomery, they've got 73, but we're expecting upper 70s tomorrow, and a good chance we'll do mid-80s Thursday. And around the nation, you can see warmer air finally coming up through Texas as they're getting back to where they should be with 80s there. But fair warning, we might see, in fact, we do expect another pretty good cold shot early next week as the winter just won't give up. Watch warning map, pretty quiet. All the counties in bright green, those are river flood warnings. The Coosa River over in East Alabama, very high. A lot of flooding there. Flooding around some of the rivers up in the Tennessee Valley, including the Tennessee River, because of all the rain we've had in recent days. In terms of severe weather, got a couple of slight risks west of here for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. One over southwest Texas, one over parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Tomorrow, a slight risk, head of the old West Texas dry line. That'll include places like Childress, Texas. Day 3, which is Thursday, a couple of slight risks to the north and west of here, but no severe weather expected this week. And really, chance of organized severe weather looks very small for the next 2 weeks. It's been a very slow, quiet season. Tornado season, that is. We can be thankful for that. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This carries us through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Number is about 3/4 of an inch here. And the bulk of that rain will come late Friday into Saturday, as you'll see. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. Upper low over the Four Corners in the western U.S., upper low around Washington, D.C. Down below that, the day should be partly to mostly sunny, much like today. Warmer, high around 80. We'll check the high-res NAM late tomorrow, and it's got evidence of maybe a thunderstorm in a few spots. It's putting one down around Lake Logan Martin. It's got one up in the northeastern corner of the state, and of course, whether that happens or not, we don't know, but there will be some residual moisture left over. And with temperatures up around 80, the air becomes a little unstable. The air aloft is still a little cold because of the departing upper low. So I think we'll mention a small chance of a shower, maybe just an isolated storm, but most of you should be dry. Thursday, warm and dry. How about 85 coming off the GFS? That sounds good. All right, Friday, the upper system is a little west of El Paso. That's going to be lifting out. Down below that, rain breaks out mainly north and west of here on Friday. We'll mention the chance of a shower Friday afternoon and Friday night, but maybe a decent part of the day Friday will be dry. And this will clearly be the wettest day, will be Saturday. Cloudy with periods of rain likely. And again, everybody wants to know the start and the stop times. There's no skill in that. We'll just say it could rain at any time during the day, Saturday or Saturday night. There could be some thunder. The air will be somewhat unstable, but no severe weather expected. In rain amounts, I would say about 1/2 inch on Saturday. But again, it's not going to rain all day, just periods of rain and some thunder. Sunday, big trough developing over the east. A cold front is out of here. And it sure looks like we can pretty much take out the chance of rain Sunday. We turn cooler, the high dropping in the low and mid-70s with a good north breeze. And again, I just think we can safely take that rain out now for Sunday. And Monday of next week, hey, it's going to be chilly Monday morning. The GFS is printing 47. We've seen other runs that take us down toward the upper 30s. And there's Tuesday, and that's going to be a chilly morning as well. The sky should be brilliantly sunny both days. There's a look at the anomalies coming off the GFS. This is valid late Monday night. So Monday morning and Tuesday morning, we should see lows well down in the 40s, and some of the colder pockets over North Alabama could visit the 30s. That rarely ever happens in the month of May. But those anomalies are a good, 20 degrees below average there. We'll check the end of the forecast, May 23rd. That looks nice and quiet. And again, no evidence of any big severe weather issues for the next 2 weeks, and that's great news. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.